Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am doing another Beauty Pie video because I am obsessed with Beauty Pie. I love their products. I did find one dud this round, but that's okay. Everything can't be winners. So I am going to go through everything that I bought, and then I will show you some videos of me putting things on and a little extra thoughts into each of the products. I received my order about 2 weeks ago, so this isn't first impressions. I have been using these products for about 2 weeks, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on them, tell you what's good, what's not, what you should try, and let's jump right in. Okay, so the first product and the one I think I was the most excited about, I think I ordered 10 things, is this Plantastic Apricot Butter Cleansing Balm. I love cleansing balms, like cleansing balms and cleansing oils. I love them so much. I love the way they break down my makeup. They make washing my face after having makeup on so much easier. So here is what it looks like. This is the container. Okay, so here's the container, and it is just like a cleansing balm, and it comes with this little scooper so that you can scoop some out. And you take it and you rub it on your face, and then it changes consistency. So it's not a balm anymore. It's more of like an oil, and then rub it on your face, rub it into your eyelids, break down all of your eye makeup and your mascara. Then you add warm water to it, and then it turns into like a milky consistency, and then you rinse it off, wipe it off with a washcloth, whatever you choose. But I am in love with this stuff. It is so fantastic. Okay, so in my other video, I explained how Beauty Pie works with their memberships and the pricing and stuff. So if you're not really sure how Beauty Pie works, go back and watch that video, because that will explain everything in way more detail about how they do their prices. But the typical price for this would be $65 in the store, and their price is $14.03. It's made with cold pressed rosehip seed oil, apricot butter, and vitamin E. But I really, really, really do enjoy this. It is fantastic. It works really good. I use this. I have been using it every night for 2 weeks. I have no complaints. It has a very subtle smell. I mean, almost nothing there. So I love it. I think it's fantastic. I would highly recommend trying this. Okay, so the next product I got was from their Japan Fusion line, and it is their Hydra Prep Lotion, and this is a hydrating toner, and you use it after you wash your face. You put it on a cotton pad or your fingers and wipe it all over your face. It has very subtle scent, and its typical price is $35, but if you're a member, you can get it for $7.98. I think that is a steal. For, how much is this? How many fluid ounces? For 5.07 fluid ounces or 150 milliliters. I think it's fantastic. It really does hydrate my skin. It's not like other toners that are exfoliating or have the acids in them so that they exfoliate your skin. This is a hydrating toner. I really do love it. I recommend it. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I have no complaints. The next product is their Everyday Great Skin Foundation. I am so pleasantly surprised with this. Its typical prices would be around $40, but their membership price is $11.41. I really have been loving this. Like everything else, I've been using it for 2 weeks, and I have no complaints. It doesn't stick to dry patches. It doesn't sink into my fine lines. It doesn't sink into my pores, even without using a primer. I am doing a wear test on it today, so we will see how it looks at the end of the day. And I think they have around 15 to 20 shades of this, but I am very, very, very pleasantly surprised with how much I like this. I did hear mixed reviews on it, so I was kind of skeptical, but I am loving it. Next item is their Precision Shaping Color Lock Lip Liner Pencil in the color Knockout Punch. The typical price for this that it would be in the store is $20. Their price is $3.67. They have 3 colors of this kind of lip liner. They do have another collection of lip liners that have more colors, but this one is their pinky brown color. They have like a fuchsia color, and they have like a regular nude color, but these are supposed to be long wearing, transfer proof, smudge proof, and a creamy texture. They're definitely a creamy texture. I am very much enjoying these. I've worn this a couple days in the past 2 weeks. I would definitely recommend it though. It is such a pretty color and it definitely feels really good on the lips. Next item is their Super Brow Precision Pencil, and this is in the color Hot Coffee. And I am in love with this. I love the color. It works perfectly for me. And I really enjoy the spoolie that they have on here. Like I said later in the video, the pencil itself actually reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Ultra Slim eyebrow pencil. So if you like that, you would like this. So the downside is that they only have 4 colors of this, so that's not like a huge lot to choose from, but I did find a color that worked for me. So if your brows are remotely close to mine, then Hot Coffee would be your color. The typical price that this would be like in the store would be $20, and their price is $3.85. Alright, so this is another one of my favorites. This is their Future Lipstick, and it is their Luxe Shine ones. And this is in the color Naked Pink. It is like a cool tone pink. I have it on now. I am in love with it. I think it feels amazing on the lips. It's supposed to be like a balm and a lipstick in one. And they have about 10 to 12 colors that you can choose from in the Luxe Shine kind, but they have a satin satin versions and they have matte versions also. And the price that this would typically be is $30, and it is $6.81 for their membership price. It is infused with moisturizing coconut and avocado oils in it, and it is a high shine creamy formula. So I really am in love with this lipstick. I think that it's beautiful. The color is beautiful. I think it feels amazing on the lips. I'm doing a wear test on it now, so we will see exactly how long it does last. And I would highly recommend it, especially at the price tag of right around $4. So next I am talking about their nail polish. So I got their Flexi Glass top coat, I got their Wonder Layer base coat, and I got their Go-To Girl color. I think on their website they said this is supposed to be like a light pink. It's definitely, on my nails, it's definitely like a really light brown color, which I'm not super excited about, but that's okay. So for whatever reason, nail polish does not work on me. Like, it takes me about 3 hours for it to start chipping and breaking and cracking. I don't know if I'm just like really hard on my nails between dishes and kids and whatever, but I have not found a nail polish that lasts longer than 24 hours on my nails without chipping and cracking and breaking. So I figured I would give these a shot. Okay, so their colors are, the typical price is $15, and you pay $2.57 for any of their colors, and then their top and base coats, their typical price would be $15, and you pay $3.64. So I tried these, I put it on the base coat, then the color, then the top coat, when I first got it 2 weeks ago. So it lasted with looking beautiful for about 3 days. I think it worked really well for 3 days, and then it started chipping and cracking. But that's better than I've had with anything else. So I was pleasantly surprised. So then I took, instead of using their color, I picked just another random color that I have, and I used the base coat and the top coat with regular color, just another color, not the Beauty Pie color. And again, it worked for about three days. They were like perfect and beautiful, and then they started chipping and cracking. So I am very surprised and very happy with the top and the base coat from Beauty Pie. I think these definitely I would recommend. I don't think that this is anything special, so I'm neither here nor there. It's cheap, so I mean, and it's not bad, so I guess I would recommend it for that. But these two, I really do think that these work better than any top coat or base coat that I've tried before, and I have tried many. If anybody has any recommendations on something that lasts really long, like a top coat that helps their nail polish last long, I am down to try anything. So let me know if you do have a recommendation. So now for my dud that I got. So this is their Wonder Color Long Wear Shadow Stick, and this is in the color Little Star. It's a really pretty bronzy color right here. This like pretty shimmery bronzy color, and it got great ratings on their website. So I was like, oh, this has got to be a great product. I mean, it didn't last 10 minutes without creasing and like caking on my eyelid. I tried it with and without an eyeshadow primer, and it just did not work for me. I don't have it on now because I've completely given up, but I did try it a few days in a row, and I was so not happy with it. So this was, their typical price is $28 like in the store, and their price is $4.06. I wouldn't recommend it. I love Beauty Pie, but this is just one of their products that did not work out for me. And obviously it is working out for other people because people gave it great reviews on their website. And they have about 15 colors to choose from. So there are some really pretty colors on there, and it actually took me a while to pick what color I wanted to buy, but I went with this because I figured this would be the most universal. I could wear it multiple different ways, and it just did not work out for me. So I definitely would not recommend this one. Okay, so first I wanted to talk about this Japan Fusion Hydra Prep Lotion. It is like a hydrating toner, and you use it after you wash your face. It says you can put it on your fingertips or a cotton pad to apply it to your freshly cleaned face. I am going to use a cotton pad. It's the way I normally use it. So you just add it to your cotton pad and then put it all over your face like you normally would any toner. And there's no burning or anything like that. It has a very, very subtle scent to it. It says that it immediately hydrates, balances, and softens your skin, and it turbocharges any products that you put on top of this. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. I have really enjoyed it. I've been using it morning and night after I clean my skin, and it doesn't leave any sticky residue or anything like that. It doesn't burn, and it just leaves your skin feeling very soft and hydrated. Okay, so I have their Great Skin Foundation. I have the shade Light 300, and I have been using this for about 2 weeks now, along with all of the other products that I'm reviewing, and I am very impressed with this. I wasn't sure how I was going to like it because I have seen mixed reviews, but I really do enjoy this. I think it's right around like a medium coverage, but I am going to apply it and do a wear test today on camera so that I can show you how it lasts and how it looks on the skin. Okay, so there is one coat. You can still see like a little bit of a red mark here from acne scar, and you can see my vitiligo a little bit around my mouth here, but not too bad. It's definitely right around medium coverage. It's not sinking into the lines on my forehead or into my pores. I don't have any primer on. I just put it right over top of my lotion that I put on earlier today. So there is that, and I'll give you a time in a minute. I'm not really sure what the time is right now, but I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back. The next product that I have is their Super Brow Precision Pencil, and I have the color Hot Coffee, and this is perfect. Oh, well, that's the spoolie. I really do like the spoolie on this. And again, I've been using this for about 2 weeks also. And they have it's just a little tiny tip there, and the color is just a dark chocolate color, and this works perfect for the color of my brows. I know that they look black, well, they kind of are black, but I really do like a dark brown instead of a black color for my brows. So I am going to put this on, and I will be right back. So I have really been enjoying this brow pencil. The pencil itself reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil. Here are the two of them together. They're very similar. But I really do like the spoolie of this one. This is the Beauty Pie one a lot more than the Maybelline one up here. The next product I have is their Precision Shaping Color Lock Lip Liner, and this is in the color Knockout Punch. It's like a pinky brown color. more of a pink color right here. Okay, so I outlined my lips and filled my lips in with this pencil. On camera, it's kind of coming off a little bit more brown, it looks like, but it is definitely a pink color, maybe a little bit towards the mauve pink color. I really do like it. It's not drying. It feels really good on the lips. I think it looks really pretty. It was really easy to work with. I have a lipstick to go with it now, and that is their Naked Pink color. And here is the swatch. It is definitely like a satin pink color. So there is that with the lipstick on. I think it is very pretty. This is more of a light pink color, so it toned down the lip liner. And it is definitely a satiny, almost glossy color. I really do like it. It feels really good on. Okay, so it is 10:12 right now, and I'm going to do a couple check-ins throughout the day, see how the foundation is wearing, and the eyebrow pencil, and I will be back in a little bit. I just wanted to jump on and do a quick check-in. It is around 12:30, and I'm about to eat lunch, so this is probably about to get all messed up. So I wanted to come on and just show you how the lipstick is still going strong. Like, I think it looks great for 2.5 hours. Okay, so I think everything looks really good. Obviously, it's only been 2.5 hours, but I mainly wanted to check in and show you that the lipstick is still looking beautiful after that long, and it's not like a matte lipstick, which is normally the ones that last the longest. So I think everything looks really good. 12:30 check-in. I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so we are at right around 8.5 hours. It's right around 6:30, 6:45 at night. And I think that it still looks great. It really does just kind of sink into your skin and become part of your skin. I love it. There is a little dry patch right here on the side of my nose. But other than that, I think it still looks beautiful. And it is fading away a little bit in the corners of my mouth, but that's just normal from drinking and eating all day. So I really, really love this stuff. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I do, but I really, really, really would recommend this, especially for, I think it was $11. I love it. Alright, so that is my beauty pie video. I love beauty pie, if you can't tell. I think that their prices are fantastic. And I have tried their makeup and their skincare, and I love both. I guess the next time I order, I'm going to try maybe some shampoo and some body care products, because I haven't yet tried anything like that from them. So I'm definitely going to branch out and get some different things, try some more stuff. I just love them. I think they're fantastic. They're priced great, and their products are great. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped, and I will see you in the next one.